Sanden Corporation. Sanden Corporation Sanden Jushi Huishi. Sanden Kabushiki Kaisha is a Japanese Isaki, Gunma-based automotive equipment and electrical equipment manufacturing company and is listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. History. Kaihei Ashikubo founded the company Sankyo Electric Company Sankyo Denki Co. in July 1943. The company's first products were wireless communication devices, mica condensers, and paper condensers. 5 years later, the company expanded their product line by adding dynamo bicycle lamps to their products. In the 1950s, the company started producing home electric appliances, refrigerated showcases, and mini motors. In 1961, production of juice vending machines is established, and 1 year later, in August 1962, the company is listed on the second section of the Tokyo Stock Exchange. The 1970s brought the introduction of automotive products to the product line, namely automotive air conditioners and SD compressors for automotive air conditioners. In August 1973, the Sanden trade name is established, and the company's stocks are listed on the first section of the aforementioned stock exchange. Also in this decade, the company established several subsidiaries, namely in the United States, Singapore, and Australia, and a branch in Great Britain. In October 1982, the company's name is changed, Sankyo Electric Company, Limited becoming Sanden Corporation. In 1984, the company expanded their global presence by establishing joint ventures in India, Malaysia, and Mexico Sanden Mexicana. 4 years later, Sanden acquired Vendo Company, a U.S.-based vending machine manufacturer. In the 1990s, the company started to develop energy-saving, ozone layer-friendly products. Also, it developed technical assistance agreement with major automakers like Ford Motor Company and General Motors Company, and expanded its manufacturing capabilities by opening manufacturing plants in France. In 2012, also Sanden Manufacturing Mexico was founded. In November 1999, the founder of the company, Kaihei Ashikubo, died. Focusing on environmentally friendly manufacturing, the company achieved zero emission at 3 domestic plants: Kotobuki, Yatajima, and Saka plants. In 2001, Sanden achieved the production of the accumulated number of 100 million compressor units, and in May 2006 received the 2005 Supplier of the Year from General Motors and the Global. Also in 2005, Sanden signed a comprehensive agreement with Waseda University's Environmental Research Institute to promote environmental technology development in business-academia collaboration. In the following years, the company opened manufacturing plants in India, China, Poland, and Thailand, and signed partnerships with other automakers. Business segments and products. Automotive systems, air conditioning systems, HVAC units, compressors, heat exchangers for air conditioners, vending systems, vending machines for various merchandise including cold beverages, milk beverages, coffee, tea, flex vendors, ice cream, cup noodles, retail store systems, refrigerators, freezers, multi-temperature horizontal refrigerated display cabinets, living and environment systems, heat pump hot water floor heating systems, far infrared radiant heating units, IH cooking heaters, hot water supply systems,